Yo, what's up, crypto crew? Let's talk USDT. You know, that stablecoin everyone's buzzing about? It's pegged to the US dollar, supposed to be super stable, right? So, here's the burning question. Can you actually stash your USDT on Wealthsimple? I know. You're probably thinking, dude, just check their website. But let's be real, sometimes the internet can be a labyrinth of confusing information. Plus, who wants to spend hours digging through pages and pages of fine print? That's where I come in. So, why is USDT even a big deal? Well, it's like the calm in the crypto storm. While Bitcoin and Ethereum are roller coaster rides of emotions, USDT aims to be that steady, reliable friend. You can use it to trade other cryptos, make payments, or even hedge against market volatility. Now, back to Wealthsimple. It's a popular investment app, right? You can buy stocks, ETFs, and even dip your toes into crypto. But does it offer the full crypto package? Including our beloved USDT? That's what we're here to find out. Let's break it down. Wealthsimple has definitely jumped on the crypto bandwagon. They offer a decent selection of coins, including some big players like Bitcoin and Ethereum. But is USDT part of the party? Well, that's where things get a bit tricky. I've done some digging, and while Wealthsimple does support some stablecoins, I haven't found concrete evidence that USDT is one of them. It could be that they're planning to add it in the future, or maybe there are some regulatory hurdles they need to clear first. But hey, don't just take my word for it. I encourage you to do your own research. Check Wealthsimple's website, their social media, or even reach out to their customer support. They should be able to give you the most accurate and up-to-date information. While we're on the topic, let's talk about the pros and cons of using Wealthsimple for your crypto investments. On the one hand, it's user-friendly, and you can manage your entire portfolio in one place. On the other hand, fees can add up, and the selection of coins might not be as extensive as some dedicated crypto exchanges. So, there you have it. As of now, it doesn't look like Wealthsimple supports USDT. But remember, the crypto world moves fast, so things can change. Keep your eyes peeled for updates, and always do your own research before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.